Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the shared whiteboard inside the team's meeting. Click Share, then pick Whiteboard. This is the immediate action, no detours, so everyone can view content instantly. Once done, choose New Board to start clean or resume to continue prior work, and make sure to set editing rights. Allow collaborators to draw or limit to presenters. You do this because shared editing speeds collaboration and keeps the meeting focused. Without correct rights, participants can't contribute, and the session stalls. You now organize the board so it's usable. Pick pen or highlighter for sketches and text for headings. Sticky notes capture rapid ideas. Once arranged, use the ruler for straight guides and upload an image or template to anchor discussion. Make sections labeled Agenda, Ideas, Decisions so everyone understands where to add content. This reduces overlap and keeps the flow. If you need precise layout, zoom and move objects. Doing this pays off because a structured board converts chaos into clear outcomes. You finish by saving and distributing the work. Export the whiteboard as an image or share a link so attendees can revisit notes. Once saved, upload the file to OneDrive or post it in the meeting chat for a permanent record. If someone can't see updates, first refresh Teams or ask them to rejoin. Then reshare the whiteboard if necessary. This troubleshooting step fixes most sync issues and ensures everyone leaves with the same information. Your final step before closing the meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.